Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce a small tool that is handy but useful to help you remove and even to identify the blown blade fuses. The FFT1 fuse tester. So this fuse tester comes with built-in button cell batteries inside with green LED. There are two small pins here with their distance being adjustable to different width to fit either MAXI ATP or ATM fuses. On top of these fuses, you will see there are small holes with exposed metal pins. So all you need to do is to target your pins into the metal part, and the LED will light up, which means the fuse is good. So if the fuse is blown like this, the LED will not light up. So you can do this by testing the fuse in your hand, or you can test directly the fuse on the fuse holder. In the back of the fuse tester, there is a clip that you can use to easily pull the fuse off. So if you have a very big thumb and find it very difficult to pull the fuses by hand, you can use this as a tool to easily remove the fuse from the fuse block. If you have run out of the battery, they can be easily replaced. So that's it for today's introduction for this small, handy, useful tool, and thank you for watching. See you next time.